Good morning. Today, our new project is in the house. We're gonna try to change one of those handle locks. I got this from Amazon. It's kind of looking for a name. I don't can find a name. It just says Bluetooth smart lock, and I guess the seller is B-Band. It has a fingerprint, touchpad, and a card, and a backup key, and then a backup power outside because it's battery operated. It says good for 8,000 actuator, so that should be good. So we'll see. First, we'll unbox it. Okay, let's cut this, see what's inside. Okay, we got the instruction manual, and it looks like these are the accessories. And here's the lock cylinder, some hardware to mount it. There's a striking plate. I think I'm not going to use this. I'm just going to use the old one if it works. A lot more screws and a card, B-Band. See, that's the company, I guess. I'll put a link in where you could buy it on Amazon. And these are just the key. These are nice keys. Backup key, and see how it looks like. Yeah, pretty good. Feels solid. Aluminum. There's glass. Here's where the backup, you just press here and then pull it out. It's magnetic, so you could put the key like that, simple, and then just twist it, unlock, twist it back to lock it. And then here's your I guess it looks like a micro USB, just in case the battery ran out, so you could unlock it. Let's put this. Looks like dirt. Yep, looks like dirt. You just, yep, see, remove that, put it back. Magnetic, see, it's just magnetic. See, just pull it. Simple. This will be outside, and these are specific. This is a right handle, and here's your fingerprint. Okay, already removed this, already put it earlier. And here's the strike plate. I'm gonna use this because I put like a 4-inch screw, so it'll go through the jam. So if someone kicks it, they can just, because the screw, the original, they're just little, like an inch and a half. These are like 4 inches. It'll go to the jam. And this is the collar, and this is the old lock the house came in. See the jam? So we're gonna replace that. Okay, let me pause it. No grid. Oh, fuck, what the hell I did. I don't know what I did, but hopefully it's recording. Okay. The nice thing with this is they have different steps. Like this one, it says step 2, and then the screw, you get the step 2 screw. See, this is step 3. Now we're gonna put this rubber thing so it protect it. And just, there we go. If I could just make sure when you put this, it's square. Yeah, it's adjustable, but make sure. But see, mine's all the way now, so it's just from the front. Okay, let's see if we could put this on. Let's see, is it showing? Oh yeah, forgot. Make sure this will go through. There you go. There it is. After that, we'll put the backing plate. This one should be there. Okay. Let's try to screw them. I just do this a little faster, but usually I hand tight them before that. Don't tie them too much. We're gonna get a level. Make sure it's level. Okay, there we go. Let's see if I could find a level. Be back. Okay, let's see if it's, oh, see the rubber, make sure it's all the way in. Level. That's good. That's good. And then here, that's good. It's level. Good deal. Now we can tighten. And put this away. We made a boo-boo. We made a boo-boo. We'll add it. This one's supposed to be inside. One. Two. Got that already bent. It's okay. Well, if I didn't make that mistake, it's already done. Okay, one more. Okay. It's snug. Let's go back where we're supposed to be. Okay, put this in again. There we go. Now we have the rubber seal. The square. There we go. Now we could see the screws. Supposed to be 4 of them. It's a nice thing. Step 4. Okay. Two on top, 2 on the bottom. Let's put this one first. And there's one down there. Let's see. Snug them. There we go, real snug. Let's see. It closes good. It opens. But this one, see? When you do that, it doesn't open. Now let's connect the wiring. Simple. Just one wire to connect. And this one has that tab. Can't go wrong. Let's see. I think that's it. Okay, simple. Just one, and then tuck this in back. You can tack it in. Let's see. Yeah, see. Okay, here we go. Tuck it in. Now, put some battery. The battery I use are rechargeable, so I don't have to. One, they use 4 AA, not supplied. You have to supply your own battery. I think that's a wise idea because battery doesn't last so long. Okay, we'll put, there you go. I hear it. Now the cover has a little pin here. Put it down and put the screw. Too snug. There we go. Just remove the plastic. That's it. You have to download the app. If you have a phone, Play Store. It's called TT Lock. There we go. TT Lock. Already downloaded, so I just open it. There we go. Then after that, let's press add. Let's wake it up. There we go. Okay, all locks. See, that's the one. You add it. Operation failed. Try it again. Add. Let's wake him up. There we go. See, now it found it. Enter name. We'll change that. You just say Sam garage lock. Lock. Easy to find. Okay. Press OK. Now it is. Oh, still doesn't have the fingerprint. Now, see, we'll do the fingerprint. Just press fingerprint. And then add fingerprint. Okay. We'll name. So you name everything so you know who comes in and out. So I'll just put mine, and I'll put my daughter later. S-A-M. Oh. Sam. There you go. Next. And then start. Press start. And then one, two, three, four. There you go. Fingerprints on there. Let's see if it works. There we go. It works. It's good for 5 seconds, and now it doesn't. There you go. Good deal. So that's how we do it. And then if you want, I'll put a passcode and then the card, and then on the setting you could go to your basic and administration passcode. So that's how you do it. Let's try it in the garage. There we go. Nice and lock. So you don't have to need a key. Just there we go. Unlock. Good deal. And that's it. 5 seconds. You can't. 5 seconds. You can't. You see? It just turned. Then you press it again. See? Unlock. There you go. Okay. That's it. That's how easy is it. I think I like it. Thank you. And bye.